How to see saved reels on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers that you might be interested in, as well as amazing giveaways. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and let's find the reel to save first. So let's go to videos
إلا كانت خطيبتك كتحل
and let me search for reels. Now let's just find a random reel to save. Say this one for example. Let's click on the three dots at the bottom right. Click on save reel. Let's go ahead and save another one. For the rest of my this one for example. Okay, now that the reels have been saved, where we'll be able to find them.
في الهضرة بحال
It's actually pretty easy. You just need to click on the profile picture at the top right, and once you are here, from these shortcuts you will see a shortcut that's called saved. So click on it, and here you will find all of the reels that you have saved in Facebook. As you can see, these are the new ones that I've just saved, and the other ones are the old ones that I saved outside the video. So it's that easy and simple. That was it for this video. That's how you can save or find and see the saved reels on Facebook. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.